Hi guys, today we're going to reveal the secrets of Excel. First of all, I will tell you that if you want to remove or you do not want to display zero in your Excel worksheet, if you have a large database and you want to say you want that zero should be disappear from your screen, from your database, but actually remain intact, there is a secret option in the Excel. You can find what I'm telling you. And let's discuss this table. Let's say there is a staff named Alex, Jason, Mike, Sandra, Malik, and Khan. Task assigned. Let's say Alex has been assigned 5 tasks, Jason has been 4, Mike has been 10, and so on. The task completion, like let's say Alex has completed 4 tasks, Jason has 0, Mike has done 5, Sandra 4, and so on. With the task percentage completion, 80%, 0%, 50%, 40%, and 0% and 33%. We want to say that this 0% means this cell should appear as a blank cell instead of having the value 0. So what we should have to do, we will go to file options, and there we will find options, and there is a tab advanced. So we will scroll down and go to the display options, and this is main option of display of worksheet workbook, and there is display of for worksheet. There is an option show a zero cell that have zero values. By default this option has been checked. If we will uncheck it, and let's see, the magic appears. It has been vanished. Zero is nowhere on the our database, but actually it remains in contact there. Actually it is fed in the database, but here it is vanished. Hopefully you will enjoy